Profit for the year. The following information is available for a sole trader who keeps no accounting records. Net business assets at 1 July 20x6, $46,500. Net business assets at 30 June 20x7, $68,500. During the year ended 30 June 20x7, cash drawings by proprietor, $17,000. Additional capital introduced by proprietor, $12,500. Business cash used to buy a car for the proprietor's wife who takes no part in the business, $5,000. Using this information, what is the trader's profit for the year ended 30 June 20x7? Answer. Assets equals liabilities plus closing capital, or assets equals liabilities plus equity. Closing capital equals opening capital plus profit or loss, plus additional capital minus drawing. Profit or loss equals closing capital minus opening capital minus additional capital plus drawing. Increase in net assets, $68,500 minus $46,500 is $22,000. Capital introduced, minus $12,500. Drawings, $17,000 plus $5,000, $22,000. Profit for the year, $31,500.